Going the distance with ProEZ foam, developed by Certol International, developing the solutions for you. ProEZ foam, the first and still the best foam pre-cleaning enzyme spray on the market. With patented foaming agents and true quadruple enzyme power, ProEZ foam cleans your instruments better and for longer than the competition. All enzyme products take time to be effective. But if your product does not stay on instruments long enough, the enzymes will not make a difference in your cleaning process. High volume delays in sterile processing can lead to surgical soils drying on instruments. The addition of a pretreatment spray can save your staff time. ProEZ foam's patented foaming agents allow for prolonged contact time and delivery of enzyme power to instrumentation for up to 12 hours. Choose the most effective pre-cleaning spray for your reprocessing needs. ProEZ foam is the only quadruple enzyme-powered spray available. ProEZ foam, the first and still the best foam pre-cleaning enzyme spray on the market. Developed by Certol International, developing the solutions for you.